Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 185. This was the 3rd of March 2023, a Friday. So I did exercise, I worked on books, I worked on a little bit on the Remote Wellness Academy, I worked on insurance, and I worked on my book that I'm writing, and I'm working on my website. So I just started this project, and I'm really pleased to invite all of you, all two of you, who follow this channel. I'm pleased to invite you over to my other channel, which I've had it actually for a long time. I just haven't posted any content, but I have a website and a channel called Essential Travel Items. EssentialTravelItems.com is the website. Essential Travel Items is the YouTube site. And this is a site that's a travel channel. Not just travel items, but yes, that is going to be featuring travel items, because travel is something that I'm very passionate about. I've lived most of my life abroad, and I've traveled extensively in the military and in the foreign service. So having the right items to travel with is exceptionally important. So that's a niche that I was able to capitalize on with the domain name and the channel. And I posted my first 2 videos today. So that's there. It's available to view. I'm using an editor called InVideo. I bought a lifetime membership for InVideo. I'm exhausted as I make this video tonight. But I'm excited because I want to get into the habit of posting content regularly. It's new to me. It's a new skill to me. But you're never too old to learn. So, I'm willing to roll up my sleeves and learn how to do this. And I really love ChatGPT because ChatGPT can really help formulate a person's creativity, take that raw talent and put it into a nice, smooth product. So it won't do everything for you, but you can bounce ideas off of ChatGPT, and it's just incredible. I really am I'm optimistic about the future because of stuff like ChatGPT. I know we're going to have some pretty tough times coming up, but technology like ChatGPT could be the saving grace. Like, that's just one thing, but it's an important thing because we're going to have some really exceptional challenges coming in the next couple of years. And, not sure we can get through it, but, having things like ChatGPT is like, okay, maybe we can figure this out. Maybe we can rise to the occasion and, tap into that creativity that we so desperately need and figure it out. And, travel is just an absolute passion. It's like, I know most people, when they say if they hit the lottery or they become wealthy, what are the 5 things you'd want to do if you became instantly wealthy? And travel is just about on everybody's top 5 list, if not the top 3. Travel has always been something that's been very important to me. And travel gives you the opportunity to really appreciate home. I noticed that when I was stationed overseas in the military or in the State Department, whenever I was home, I would yearn for being overseas. And then when I was overseas, I would yearn for being home. So I've come to the realization at this point in my life that why not have it both? Why not have it both ways? If you can travel long term and have some long term vacations, long term experiences, but then come back home, you can do it both. You can have both, right? And you don't have to expatriate yourself. So I've always think, hey, I want to have more than a vacation and less than a relocation. I would like to just do some long-term traveling, but at the same time, I like to be home too. And this is my home. and I'm happy to be here. So another thing that's coming that I'm going to talk about more tomorrow when I make a video tomorrow is about making money. NewTube, this channel, is about helping people learn how to make money, how to create YouTube channels, how to make money online. I've been exposed to another opportunity. Gentleman has a very has a good YouTube. I wouldn't say he's like the largest. He's got a YouTube channel of like about 7,000 subscribers, and he's earning revenue on YouTube, and he's earning money through network marketing, and he's doing well on both because if you have a following on YouTube, you can do stuff like network marketing, and you can earn both ad share revenue and through the compensation plan of a network marketing company. So I am leaning toward doing that. I am doing that. And I'm going to talk more about that tomorrow when I announce that tomorrow. So, these different businesses, learning how to create websites, learning how to make videos. This is the day 185. So I've been consistent, pretty much, following on this every single day, making a video. And, I wanted to make like a journal video every single day for the remainder of my life, putting it on YouTube for just a few minutes, making some kind of video. Doesn't matter if anybody's watching this or not. I just wanted to chronicleize my journey on this, because one day when I am successful, people are going to be like, well, how did you do it? And I'm just going to look at the first 185 days of my journey, and nobody was watching, nobody was commenting, nobody was there. And now look, from the future, look at where I am. So I believe it. I'm committed to it, and I'm glad that you're here watching this. So thanks for joining me in this journey. If you have any questions, like, comment, and subscribe. I will talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.